guys, this is Coco. Welcome to Lopo TV. Today, I would like to introduce two series of new products to you: hot water bottle with cover and pet carrier bag. Both are the textile products, and the textile products are one of our most competitive range since we are the first company who have our own professional sewing line in sublimation industry, and we always keep developing new textile material and make a full series of products. First, let's come to the hot water bottle with cover. With a huge increase of electricity and energy, people care more about environmental protection and energy saving. That's where we get the idea to develop this product. This hot water bottle and cover would keep you warm for a whole night, like a warm hug. You could buy the hot water bottle and cover separately, or you could buy them together as a full set. Made of soft and skin-friendly charpie material, super comfortable feeling. Drawstring design with a wide neck, easy to take on and off. 3 sizes available: 500 ml, 1000 ml, and 2000 ml. Double-side printable, could make full format printing. Easy to clean, could put it in the washing machine. And the hot water bottle, healthy material. The hot water bottle is made of natural high-quality rubber, explosion-proof, heat-resistant, and long-lasting heating. It is manufactured in compliance with British safety standard BS 1970-2012 to ensure the maximum safety. With wide mouth design, easy and safe to pour hot water in. Large enhanced water stopper, it is designed to be sealed and leak-proof. Anti-slip and anti-scalding texture on the surface. 1 tips to use hot water bottle. Filling the bottle with 2/3 capacity of hot water. Exhaust the extra air. Tighten the cap and wipe the bottle dry. Take the bottle upside down for leakage check. Next, let's come to the pet carrier bag. Pets are the good friends of human beings. More and more people like pets seen as a family member, so the market for the pets is huge, and the pet carrier bag is one of the new products that we add to our pet product range. This pet carrier bag is perfect for everyday work and weekend adventure with your little pets. Premium quality, made of eco-friendly and durable natural linen and white linen material. Size is length 38 by width 19 by height 30 cm. Breathable and visible. Big opening space provide better visibility for the pets to enjoy the views and fresh air. Large opening for pets' easy access, with top hook design to close the bag. A safety hook is designed inside the bag to prevent the pets from jumping out. Foldable design could save space and easy to store. This pet carrier bag could be carried by hand or on the shoulder. Okay, that's all for today. This is Coco. We are Lopo. Join us. Let's make life memorable. Bye-bye.